The sanding pad both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. This pad uses hook and loop paper and has holes to work with the dust collection. Over time, the pad will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The hook and loop surface will wear away and no longer hold the paper. The hook and loop will wear away much faster if pressure is applied to the sander while it is used. Replacing the sanding pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old sanding pad from the sander. I'll pull the dust collection shroud up so I can see the spindle. Then I'll rotate the spindle around until I locate the hole that will allow me to lock the spindle in place. I'll lock the spindle using the tool that came with the sander. If you've lost this, you could also use a long hex wrench. I insert the pin into the hole on the spindle, and now I can unthread the pad. Now I can install the new pad. And it just simply threads back into the spindle. I'll tighten it firmly, and the sander's ready to go. And that's how easy it is to replace the hook and loop pad on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.